Hello friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cutie Pie Kathakali. Today I am going to review the glow in the dark slime kit and show you how to make the spookiest glow slime. I have unboxed the kit already in my previous video. In case you missed it, here is the card. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the top of the box. And then inside we get 2 bottles of glue, 3 mixing bowls, 3 containers with lids for storing our slime, a measuring beaker, 2 pipettes, 1 plastic mixing spoon, a teal colored dye, a glow powder, some wooden sticks, and the borax powder or the slime activator. So first, take some water and warm it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Use home utensils to warm the water in the microwave. So I have already done it and kept it in this container. Now pour 100 ml of the warm water in the mixing bowl 1 using the measuring beaker. So here is my measuring beaker. I am going to pour now 100 ml of it. So there you go guys, now it is exactly 100 ml. Now add 1 spoon of borax powder. This borax powder will be used as a slime activator. Stir the mixer fast using spatula for some time until the borax dissolves in the water properly. Now pour this solution into the mixing bowl 1 and keep it untouched for 30 minutes. Now take your mixing bowl 2 and pour 10 ml of glue into the measuring beaker. And add 20 ml of the tap water to it. Now stir the glue and water properly for some time until they mix well. Now use a wooden stick to pour this solution into the mixing bowl 2. And also keep this solution untouched for 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
So 30 minutes is over and now we have to pour 8 ml of the borax solution from the mixing bowl 1 into a new plastic bowl by using the pipettes. So here you go, this is my new plastic bowl. Here is the borax solution and my pipette. Okay. Now put half teaspoon of glow powder into it and stir it well by a wooden stick. Now add the solution to the mixing bowl too and mix them well by stirring very fast with the wooden stick for approx 2 minutes. Now the slime will start forming. Wow, it's already forming. And separate liquid from the bowl if there's any. So here is the slime. And now leave it under bright light for some time. So this is the final result. The slime kit is very easy to use and the end result is awesome. The slime glows a lot in dark, but unfortunately it is not possible to capture it on a camera. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, then please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Until then, goodbye.